Welcome to the Gleam Insights, your go-to for quick programming knowledge. Today, we're talking about cryptography, the backbone of secure communication. Cryptography is the science of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format, so only the right person can understand it. This process is called encryption, like locking a message in a box that only the right key can open. There are two main types: symmetric encryption, where the same key is used to lock and unlock data, and asymmetric encryption, which uses a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption, as seen in HTTPS securing online transactions. One famous example is the Caesar Cipher, where Julius Caesar shifted letters in the alphabet to send secret messages. Hello, shifted by 3 becomes core. While simple, it laid the foundation for modern encryption. A more advanced and widely used encryption method today is AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, a symmetric encryption algorithm that protects everything from passwords to online banking transactions. AES works by scrambling data into an indecipherable format using 128-bit, 192-bit, or 256-bit keys, making brute force attacks practically impossible. For example, when you use a messaging app like WhatsApp, AES ensures that even if someone intercepts your message, all they see is gibberish, unless they have the correct key. Today, cryptography secures everything from bank transactions to chat apps and even Netflix streams. That's it for today's The Gleam Insights from Code Gleam. Subscribe for more quick tips. Stay secure and keep coding.